How to request a reinvestigation to Equifax. Send this second letter. Equifax ignored the first dispute letter by failing to remove derogatory items from your credit report? So, send this reinvestigation letter to Equifax. Please follow the link in the description to start filling the form. Now, you can start to fill out the form. Begin with your first and last name at the top. An example, John Doe. Next, enter your current address, the same address as mentioned in your ID or driver license. Address line 1, 123 Example Street, Unit 1. Address line 2, New York, NY. 123456. Choose your document date. Scroll down, and enter your